found this laptop in an electronics junkyard. It's a Toshiba Satellite Pro U400 The laptop was in very poor condition with a cracked screen and missing a power supply, but interestingly, it was complete inside. I decided to disassemble it and turn it into a home computer, at least in appearance. So far, I've created a prototype that looks more or less the same as on the screen. Ultimately, I'd like to use plywood or balsa wood for the material, so it looks good and works just as well. Speaking of functionality, here's how it works. After buying a universal charger, the computer came alive with Windows Vista on board. I added an additional 2 gigabytes of RAM and plan to install 2 operating systems, Windows 7 or XP for older games and Batasra for ROMs. What do you think? It makes sense. I'll show you the whole thing in full detail in the second part of my video. For now, you can see everything I've managed to create so far. Thank you so much for watching. Best regards, Marcom Drone.